Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm unboxing my BEAUTYLISH Lucky Bag. If that sounds interesting, you want to see if I got extra lucky? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, in case you're not familiar, the online retailer BEAUTYLISH has an annual tradition of doing lucky bags. They go on sale the 26th of December and they sell out usually within minutes. And they are basically a mystery bag, but it's actually based on a Japanese New Year tradition. I was actually preparing to film something else, or actually several somethings else, because I have a lot to film, as those of you who have been around a while know. I actually ended up taking a few weeks off, actually a few more than I had planned, because of some health issues. I am happy to say that things seem to be on the mend, and if you have been around a while, you'll notice that I actually am not wearing an eye patch for the first time since, I want to say sometime in November. So this is the first time that I'm actually wearing makeup on this eye since then. And the first time I'm wearing any makeup at all in like 3 weeks, and it was honestly very nerve-wracking doing eye makeup for the first time after surgery. So, but here we are, and like I said, I was preparing to film some other things, and then this arrived in the mail, and I was like, okay, clearly we're starting with this, because I wanted to open it on camera so you would see my actual reaction, but couldn't wait. So I'm going to be filming several things today, but I had to do this one first because I'm just so interested to see what I got. I haven't even opened it, haven't got it yet, so that I couldn't peek, so let me do that and we will see what's inside. Now first, before I get into what's in here, BEAUTYLISH offers 2 different levels of lucky bags. The regular lucky bag is $75, and they say you'll get over $150 worth of product. The extra large, which is the one I got, is $150. They say you will get more than $300 worth of product. They also offer Jeffree Star specific lucky bags. These are different than the Jeffree Star mystery boxes that I believe are on the Jeffree Star website, but they do offer a regular and an extra large that are all Jeffree Star products, but this is the regular one. If you're not familiar with BEAUTYLISH, they've got a lot of amazing brands, and there's some brands that are exclusive that you can only buy from BEAUTYLISH. So I'm very excited to see what I got, and like I said, you're supposed to get at least twice the value, but some bags are extra lucky, as they say, and may get quite a bit more. So we open up the box. This is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? And the tag, let me read the tag to you if I can't get it off. Oh, I tore the sticker. These lucky bags, pull that down so you can see me. So the tag, it says lucky bags are Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's lucky bag, which is the one here, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. Well, we certainly have had a challenging year last year, so here's to new beginnings. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. The first thing that was outside of anything that's packaged in there is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask for hair. I hope that's gonna, there we go. I've never used this. I've seen it. I'm not gonna, obviously since I'm just opening it, I don't have prices, but I will put them down below so that you can see what everything was worth. But it was, according to this, was an Allure Reader's Choice Award winner in 2020. I have very dry, very thick hair, so this is something I'm curious to try. So we'll check that out. Am I excited about it? No, but I'm not unhappy. So let's see what's next. Okay, it feels like, okay, we've got a couple of bubble wrapped. Right, it looks like there's a big bubble wrap thing, and this is a small one. And think I know what this is, and I think I may already have it, but it's okay. Yes, this is from Hourglass, and this is the Ambient Lighting Edit Mini Sculpture Unlocked. And I do have this, so I'm not going to open it. Let me grab mine so you can see it. Okay, so this one's mine. Excuse the fingerprints, because it is something that will give you a lot of fingerprints. But these come out, they do have a variation on these every year. There's a 6-pan, and then this is the 4-pan. And so you've got a finishing powder in Soft Light, bronzer in Golden Bronze Light, a blush in Mood Flush, and a metallic strobe powder in Champagne Strobe Light. I have only used this a couple of times because it was a holiday pickup and I haven't worn a whole lot of makeup, but I really enjoy it and I'm excited about it. Not excited about the fact that I already have one, but it's a great product, so it certainly can't be unhappy in the bag. You know, when you've got a lot of makeup, you are, of course, in a mystery box, taking the chance that you're going to get something you already have. But let's see what else is in here. Now, everything else is in here. I'm going to try not to look and just pull things out as I get to them. It's very hard not to look. Okay. So, got a brush, and this is a Sonia G brush. I can tell just from seeing it, and this is the Jumbo Blender brush. I love Sonia G brushes. I do have some. They're pricey, which is why I don't have more, but I really enjoy them. This is probably like, anyway, I'll put it down below, but I love Sonia G brushes. These are made in Japan and they're fantastic, so I'm very excited to have that in my Lucky bag. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, from Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Goddess Cleansing Ritual Miracle Spa in a jar, and I have this also, but I mean it's cleanser. It's not like you don't go through it. This is 2 different cleansers, and it comes with a cloth. There is the Cleansing Ritual 1, which is a citrus oil radiance cleanser, and Ritual 2 is a purifying charcoal cleanser, and just come with a muslin cloth. Again, something I have. Am I thrilled? No, but again, it's a good product. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury in a mystery box. Not unhappy with that. Let's see what's next. More Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Matte Revolution lipstick, and this is in the shade The Queen. Don't know if I have this already, but I will open it to show you. This is a very pink. I may have this. I'm gonna have to look. In fact, I think I do. Yeah, I've seen other people unbox and they get a lot of things that I didn't have, so somehow I seem to be getting things that I do have, but that's okay. Next, from Danessa Myricks. I don't have anything from Danessa Myricks, so this is the Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment for Eyes and Face, and the shade is called Forever. Okay, so let's see what this shade Forever looks like. And, ooh, this is a multi-chrome. Look at that, that is gorgeous. I'm getting green, I'm getting gold, I'm getting kind of copper. Oh, that's fun. I'm gonna have to check that out because there's a whole lot of stuff going on in there. I didn't know Danessa Myricks did these. Not something I would have thought to wish for, but not something I'm unhappy to have. And again, something I don't have, so that makes me happy. Next, from Good Molecules, this is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I think Good Molecules is an in-house brand at Beautylish, whether it's their own brand or if it's one of the brands that you can only get from them, I'm not sure. But This is an eye gel. Clearly, as you know, as I mentioned earlier, eyes are a big thing right now for me. You know, my eyes are still swollen from I've now had procedures on both eyes, so I will have to look into this and check. But I hear good things about this brand. I've never tried it, and so we'll see if this is one that I can use. But I'm not unhappy to try it. And next from Hollow Frog, and it seems like everybody I've seen has opened boxes had something from Good Molecules and something from Hollow Frog. This is Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. Okay. Again, another brand I don't know, but this is Clarify and Brighten White Glove Service for your pores. If the glow is gone and you need to work it back in, when pimples are back in town, it's time to cleanse them away. Clogged pores, rough texture. It doesn't say whether it's for, I'm assuming it's for all skin types. I'll have to look it up. I know this is a fairly pricey brand, and I believe they're also supposed to be holistic, so I believe that's what the Holly stands for, so I'm gonna have to look that one up. But again, it's a new product for me. And the last one is from Tom Ford, so that's exciting in and of itself, and this is an Extreme Eye Color Quad in Badass. I do have a couple of Tom Ford quads I haven't tried yet. There's things that I had gotten over the holidays and I haven't played with them yet, so this is exciting. It comes in a little pouch because this is a fingerprint magnet if you've ever seen one. Let's see if I can do this without touching it. It is, you know, very metallic. And let's see. Ooh. Pull the brushes out just because they're in the way, and I'll take the plastic off it so you can get a better look at the shades. There is a great big mirror there. That's the shades. It's well, I said it's an extreme quad. It is not certainly not an everyday wear one, but it looks interesting. I mean, these top two colors especially, and this kind of gray metallic down here. I think this is something I could have fun playing with. And again, it's Tom Ford. The Tom Ford quality is supposed to be spectacular, so I'm excited to try it. So, not necessarily a one I would have picked out for myself, but not unhappy with it. So that's everything in my bag. I will put the tonal down below. How do I feel about it? Maybe I watched too many other unboxing videos in the past couple of days while I was waiting for this to arrive. Some people got like Natasha Denona palettes. I saw the Love palette, I saw the Bronze palette. Would have liked to have, well, I have the Love palette. I really would have liked the Bronze palette, which I don't have. I've seen other Tom Ford quads that were a little more to my everyday taste, but I'm not unhappy with it. Holly Frog, gonna have to look into this one. It is an AHA Refining Acid Wash. I have pretty sensitive skin, so I don't know if that's something that I'm gonna want to use, but I'll check it out. The Hourglass Quad, I would have been absolutely thrilled with if I hadn't bought myself one for Christmas, or a little before Christmas actually, when they first came out. But okay, this is a fantastic one. This one I'm not unhappy with even a little bit. So I mean, was it worth it? I'm assuming I got my money's worth, and I'll let you know down below. Would I do it again? Yeah, because you know I love a mystery box, and you never know what you're gonna get. So some of these will may find their way into giveaways, or I think I'm gonna start a Poshmark because I have, frankly, a lot of stuff that I have purchased and haven't used. I've never, like, I've opened it, looked at it, said, oh, okay, good, and put it over here, and it's terribly embarrassing, but I haven't used. And there's only so many giveaways you can do. I learned in December 25 giveaways in 1 month. It's way too much. So, not that I'm going to stop doing giveaways. Absolutely not. Because if you saw those videos, you see how much I enjoy them. And watching some of those of you who have channels unboxing them was just so much fun for me. But there's just too much. So yeah, I'm thinking about starting a Poshmark. If anyone's interested, I will, let me know, and then I'll let you guys know when I set it up. But yeah, so that was my Beautylish extra large lucky bag. I think it was a good bag. I don't think I got extra lucky, but if I hadn't had some of these products already, I certainly would have felt like I got even more lucky. Let me know what you think down below. If you got a lucky bag, and you let me know what you got, or if you've got a channel and you have an unboxing video of your lucky bag, leave it down below so I know, so I can go check it out. And live vicariously through those of you who got different products. So that's it. Leave any comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.